Ah, Doc's come to see us. Grandma. Hello, Grandma. From what do we owe this pleasure? Say hello, Granny. Ah. There you go, there you go. Hello from Japan, Nick. Seems like ages ago since I interviewed you. Gus, hello. How'd you live without sunshine? Wow, yeah. Yeah. Well, it's been a lovely evening. What do you want, Granny? Or Thor, as I like to call her, because it's really powerful. I've got this theory that if you call creatures derogatory names, they pick up on that stuff. But so if you call them really powerful names, like, you know, Saxon and Thor and Magnificent, that they respond to that. I know that it works for me. Sarah calls me Thor, and you know, I call her strength and power and stuff. So just it seems to work around the house. You know, it gets you going. It gets the housework done. Gets things moving in these times when we're all at home.